Enhance your understanding of sales processes by learning how to navigate the sales menu in Dynamics 365 Business Central. There are a number of ways to access different sales functions from your Business Central home screen. You can either click on the Sales drop-down in the navigation bar, or head into the Role Center for a more comprehensive view of the full list of sales options. Additionally, you can bookmark your most used sales tools, like your Customers menu, so they appear in your navigation menu, or select from available actions, such as Add New Sales Quote, Add New Sales Order, and Add New Sales Invoice. First, open the Customers page from the navigation menu. From here, you can access and edit your list of customers, as well as add new customers, delete old customers, create a new document like a sales quote, sales order, or sales invoice. Enter customer information, such as ledger entries, contact information, and comments, adjust prices and discounts, and access report functionalities to view or send statements. By using the Sales drop-down menu in the navigation bar, you can also access the Customers page, as well as Items, and Items Charges pages, Sales Quotes, Sales Orders, and Sales Invoices. Other important tools available in the Sales menu include Credit Memos, Return Orders, and Finance Charge Memos. You can also find the pages for posted materials, such as Posted Sales Invoices, Posted Sales Credit Memos, Posted Sales Return Receipts, and Posted Sales Shipments. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to navigate the sales menu in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below, or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.